Yo, 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 what's up everybody from Seminyak today, from the Seminyak Square, very popular place in Bali for many of you. One of the most popular streets. Ambulance is coming on the other side. I will show you, he's going wrong way, so loud. Actually, I'm impressed as the people let him go, because usually when it's ambulance in Bali, it's very difficult for driver of ambulance to go anywhere, and I hope so I never have to use the ambulance in Bali in my life. Anyways, Eat Street, Kayu Aya Street is one of the most popular streets in Seminyak for dining and entertainment. I will show you around what's going on around 5:30 p.m. And I'm gonna tell you there's people around Seminyak Square. As you can see the sign, people trying to cross the street, actually mixed between Asian visitors, international visitors. There are so many restaurants for the breakfast, and the entrance to the mall facing that direction. There is like one of the corner restaurant here. The main situation, the cables of course, and then you can go to Kudeta, legendary place facing this little street where I'm going, and some shops. And Seminyak Square parking area is also here. But on today's occasion I'm gonna show you what's going on around here. Quite a lot of people, that's good. And I think I have to cross the street and go there. Lucky for me, sun is from opposite direction, so it's good light now for filming. And this is the Kayaya Street, 8th Street. As you can see, there is little traffic congestion of the footpath. Had to drop to the street level. All the boys obviously trying to sell you something. But then they see me filming, they will be quiet. They will just looking, observe, and they will don't say anything. Anyways, Eat Street is also shopping street. You can find so many interesting shopping shops in general. More into shops, less like stalls, but also you can find everything. And of course, time to time, some people will stroll, pass by. Traffic situation by the street is not so bad. Probably later around 7, 8, 9 p.m. it's getting more busier, but loud bikes. But I prefer filming during the daytime in general, because you can see more clearly everything. At night it's a little bit difficult to make a video. This is the Greek restaurant here, drifter shopping shop basically, with the surfboards, and this is it. And also bakar jagung guy with the grill corn guy. You can buy also like this one from him. So cool, people enjoying ice cream. And also, unfortunately, due to the pandemic, there are some buildings here abandoned and totally empty like this one. I will just stroll. I think I will just go continuously today up to La Favela direction, so you can see and feel the vibe of the street of Kayaya Street, Eat Street in Seminyak. Like you will be with me here today, or you will walk by yourself, but you don't need to get tired and feel hot. Which is actually better, sitting on the sofa, having a beer in the hand and watching, rather than and I said the word what I shouldn't say. I hope so I'm not gonna get a problem with, at least I'm not showing. And there is again the same word here. Last time I mentioned this, I shouldn't mention this word. Anyways, it's pretty enjoyable for you to watch it. I'm trying to hold my camera as stable as possible, so it feels a little bit like my old time live streams, but like I said, not really time now for making live streams, due to as not many of you have a time to watch it, barely. Some of you only have a time to watch this video till the end today, so how about 2 hours of the live stream? And it's also internet connection not that the best in Bali. Today even casually I'm trying to talk slowly. It's uncommon. Usually I like to speak fast, but today slow. Yeah, the delivery, something is going on, people enjoy the drink. That's the Ginger Moon here, the restaurant. Hold on, where is the Ginger Moon? Over here. I will have a little loop inside, here we go. And some bodybuilder. There is little street, also have to always be careful how you're crossing. And that was the ex-Rumors place, it's gone forever. I used to hang out here back into before pandemic times. I used to like the place. It's like a kind of restaurant, kind of bar with the pool table, but it's gone. This was the Hotel Ananda Resort and Spa. So basically you have a places where you could, you know, dine in, shop in, and stay in. So 3-in-1, all in. And also massage or Italian restaurant, Italian job, very busy for brunch or early dinner. Very interesting. But tattoo studio, like I mentioned, spa next to it. Everything is basically here. Everything, every single thing. So, and the boys who selling something like this. So basically, if you're planning to this did have an all included, 5-6 in, everything is here. So potentially good place to consider to stay around, because in walking distance without taking a taxi or the bike or without moving around, just few minutes walk, you can get anywhere, wherever you want. Shopping, dining, massage, tattoo, and many more. Everything basically on one street. That's why titles of today's video is the one of the most favorite streets in Bali for everybody, something like that. I will actually still think about the title, because I'm mostly making titles after I make a video. I'm making video first and then I'm thinking about the title. Amadia Resorts and Villas, also you could stay. And on the other side is Ultimo restaurant, which is very cool concept. Ultimo changed recently, and then there will be little bits part where only shops, like a bamboo brand, nice shop for dresses for ladies. You can find something interesting. And then on the other side is Uluwatu as well, Uma and Leopold, something new actually. And of course the big pharmacy. Pharmacy also very important in case if something happened, or perhaps Volcom. Everything is here basically. And of course I can hear the taxi drivers honking behind me. Kimberly Spa, this is like a bigger spa also. You can find everything here. There's something gonna build here recently, Happy Days, because it was abandoned. And then this is like a middle of the street. You can find already the shops with the kind of, you know, like a stars with the souvenirs. And for some reason, okay, there's empty land, but for some reason the traffic jam started already here. Unfortunately, where is the religion shop? Also, the religion shop is open, still exists. Somebody asked me last time. This is huge empty land. They're gonna build something one day. It was Mexican tequileria supposed to be, but let's see. And the traffic jam, because where is the big billboard at the front? There's the famous legendary La Favela. La Favela a long time ago was very famous, but I'm gonna come back to this later. That's the massage still. So many of them, boys and girls. And some of the massage parlors here are very big actually. You can really, like 20 people working, usually 5-10, but sometimes even 20 massageurs waiting for you. And basically the kind of middle of the street is the most popular one, with the few big establishments. 404 number of the taxi. If you know what I mean, you know what does it mean, 404. And there is the goat, greatest of the world, something like that, all the time. This is Gastropub, I think owned by the Californian guy. And quite busy here, a little hard to pass. You can find still the souvenirs, things, little t-shirts of Australian sports, obviously, dresses, fake shoes, fake glasses, fake Prada slippers, Nike shoes, and basically there is some seafood restaurant on the one side of the street over here. Later gonna be pretty busy. They have a little bar as well, and then there's the Berlin kebab. This is the pub over there. The goat is very bright. They changed the name. People walking with the little baby, the full family. They're going. So that's the goat Berlin kebab, which is took the concept from the Hooters with the ladies dressing like that. This only happened in Bali. In other countries, they took them to the course, and then there's legendary La Favela, which is open at 7 or 8, some shops, and then traffic congestion at the front of the, what is it called, red carpet, champagne lounge, and the traffic is going up to Seminyak, up to basically Sunset Road, Legian, and I just don't feel like I even want to go more further. I'm tired of traffic jams in Bali, if I have to be honest. This truck guys delivering the gas, I wish them good luck. Either they have to push, or either this white car gonna let them go, but doesn't look like, so you have to push. Alright, and it's okay, no worries, you can go. Oh yes, you know me, oh my god.
Yes,
okay.
You since before lockdown.
Oh my god.
My husband and I, Roger, me, Paula, we love your channel.
Thank you so much.
Great.
I nearly start crying now.
Oh.
Thank you.
No, can I have a picture?
Sure, let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm filming now as well. Do I look good?
Yeah, gorgeous.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, let's
Say
go.
hi to Winnie.
Sure, will
You're
do.
amazing.
Thank you so much. That's the very nice car, by the way, over here, lucky shot. I was focusing on the traffic and the people who are passing by. Seems like they enjoy anyways. And from the background, that's how does it look like. Really not recommended to drive more further, but walking is okay. There are a few places, and there is champagne lounge as well. Somebody recognized me. Thank you so much for saying hi. It's always a pleasure for me to have a few words with you, have a picture whenever you see me somewhere. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. You can come and say hi. And for some reason, I don't know actually why, the guy trying to sell me something again. But the Seminyak is like that, and the traffic is coming. Suddenly, when I walk was no traffic, suddenly now is the traffic. Anyways, that was like a quick video. Thanks so much. See you on next one.